Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website mobile friendly. With more people browsing on their phones than ever before, ensuring your site looks great on mobile devices is absolutely essential for keeping visitors engaged and professional. To get started, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, look for the option that says Site and Mobile App. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear right in front of you. From this dropdown, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to where all your site management options live. Now you'll be able to see all the websites you currently have on your Wix account displayed in front of you. Take a moment to browse through and locate the specific website you want to make mobile friendly. It's important to select the right one, especially if you're managing multiple sites under the same account. Once you've identified your website, we need to access the editing environment to make these mobile adjustments possible. To do this, head over to the Wix Harmony editor and click on the Edit Site button. This will open up your website in the full editing interface where you can make all the necessary changes. After your editor loads, direct your attention to the top right part of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled Preview. Go ahead and click on it. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to see exactly how your site will appear to visitors before you publish any changes. You'll now be directed to the preview phase of your website. This preview mode is fantastic because it lets you visualize your site based on different devices, which is exactly what we need. Look for the mobile icon and click on it. When you do this, you'll immediately see how your website previews on a mobile device. This gives you proper visualization of how all your elements, from text to images to buttons, adjust and display when someone views your site on their phone. Pay close attention to spacing, readability, and whether everything fits properly on the smaller screen. If you notice anything that doesn't look quite right, or if certain elements need adjustment, simply click on Edit Site. From here, you can customize your layout and base your design decisions on how the mobile version projects your site. You might need to resize images, adjust text sizes, or reposition buttons to ensure everything looks polished and professional on mobile devices. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and previewed your Wix website in mobile view, giving you full control over how your site appears to mobile visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.